Hello, and welcome back to English Avenue, the place where you improve your English one step at a time. Have you ever been in a situation where someone asked you, "Tell me about yourself?" And suddenly your mind goes blank? You might know a few words in English, maybe even some sentences, but when it's time to introduce yourself, especially to new people, classmates, teachers, or even in a job interview, it feels difficult, confusing, or even scary. Don't worry. You are not alone. This is one of the most common challenges for English learners and also one of the most important skills you need to master.
Why?
Because introductions are the first impression you give to others. Whether you're meeting new friends, joining a new school, attending an interview, or starting a conversation online, your self-introduction sets the tone. But here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a few clear, simple, and smart sentences that tell people who you are in a confident and friendly way. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to introduce yourself in English like a native speaker. We'll look at real examples. We'll learn useful phrases. And I'll give you a complete script that you can use and customize to fit your life. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or just shy to speak English, this lesson will help you speak clearly and confidently from the very first sentence. So, grab your notebook, relax, and get ready to learn how to talk about yourself the easy way. Let's begin. Let's start with the most basic and common things people say when introducing themselves. We begin with 1. Your name. You can say, "Hello, my name is David."
2. 임숙.
Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sam.
Example.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm happy to be here today. 2. Your age. Optional, especially for casual or personal intros. You can say, "I'm 20 years old." "I am 25 years old." Or simply, "I'm 20. Example.
2. 임마르크.
I'm 21 years old. 3. Your country or where you're from. You can say, "I'm from Kenya." "I come from Brazil." "I was born in Egypt, but I live in Turkey now." Example. Hello everyone. My name is Aisha. I'm from Morocco. 4. Your job or what you do. If you're working, I work as a teacher. I'm a banker. I work in a hospital. I'm an engineer. If you're studying, I'm a student. I study at the University of Milan. I'm studying English and business. Example.
2. 임덤.
I'm from Canada and I work as a graphic designer. Another.
2. 임마나.
I'm 19 years old. I'm a university student. I study finance and accounting. So in one full example, your introduction could sound like this. Hello, my name is David. I'm 24 years old. I come from Nigeria. I work as a computer technician. I'm really excited to meet you all. Remember, you don't have to say everything. Just pick what's right for the situation. Be clear, speak slowly, and practice saying it with confidence. Part 2. Talk about your hobbies, interests, and personality. After your name, age, and job, it's nice to talk about what you enjoy doing. This helps people know more about you and start conversations. 1. Talking about hobbies. You can say, "In my free time, I like to." I enjoy. One of my hobbies is. My favorite hobby is. Examples. In my free time, I like to read books and watch movies. I enjoy playing football and going to the gym. One of my hobbies is painting. My favorite hobby is cooking. 2. Talking about interests. You can also talk about what you're interested in. This means the topics or activities you love to learn about or follow. I'm interested in. I love learning about. I like watching videos about. Examples. I'm interested in technology and programming. I love learning about history. I like watching English learning videos on YouTube. 3. Describing your personality. You can also say a few words about what kind of person you are. This helps others understand your character. You can say, I'm a friendly person. I'm hardworking and curious. I like meeting new people. I'm quiet, but I enjoy listening to others. People say I'm helpful and kind. Examples. I'm a calm and friendly person. I enjoy helping others and working in a team. I'm very motivated to improve my English and learn new things. Example introduction, full paragraph. Hi, I'm Jamal. I'm from Turkey. I work as an electrician. In my free time, I like to go hiking and play the guitar. I'm very interested in science and technology. I also enjoy learning English. I'm a friendly and hardworking person, and I like meeting new people. This part makes your introduction more interesting and personal. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Part 3, where you're from. After talking about hobbies and your personality, it's good to share where you're from and what it's like. Basic sentences. You can say, I'm from Germany. I live in Berlin. Berlin is a big and modern city. It has many museums, parks, and historical places. People are friendly and helpful. Example introduction. I'm from Germany. I live in Berlin. Berlin is a big city with lots of history. There are many interesting places to visit, and the people are friendly. Congratulations! You've just learned how to introduce yourself in English step by step. Now you know how to say your name, talk about your hobbies, and describe where you are from. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start. The most important thing is to practice every day. You can practice in front of a mirror, record your voice, speak with a friend or a language partner. Each time you try, you become more confident. And confidence is the key to speaking English fluently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Where are you from? And how do you introduce yourself? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next English learning video.